Esmeralda Rios, and I am a fifth grader from Tunnel Hill Elementary. I choose environmental science as my project achievement category because it teaches people about the environment and the plants and animals of the environment. But what is environmental science? Well, it's a study of the relationships between human activities and the environment. And what I have learned lately is what abiotic and biotic factors are. Abiotic factors are non-living things that are not alive, like temperature and light and fire, and there are much more. And I have learned about biotic factors, which are living things that are alive, like plants, animals, and waste, and like us humans. And for example, that some plants have existed on Earth's surface for about 400 million years, and also that giant water lilies that are in the Amazon can grow over 6 feet in diameter. I like looking facts like this, that's why I decided to share some of these throughout my presentation. But getting on the subject, other biotic factors are animals, which I love. My favorite is a dolphin, which if you didn't know, the killer whale is actually a type of dolphin. I always thought it was a type being closer to a type of shark. And also that although polar bears have white fluffy fur, their skin is actually black. Also that female lions are better hunters than male lions and do most of the hunting for pride. And going into big animals, the largest land-based mammal on Earth are elephants, but the largest in the world is the blue whale, which, if I could remember, it's bigger and larger than 3 school buses lined up together, which I believe is really big. But environmental science is not only this, but it teaches people of how to take care of these things on Earth. For example, nowadays a lot of people litter. We should change that by picking up the trash. So when you walk by, pick up that litter and always remember the 3 waste R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. This will help our wonderful Earth stay as clean as possible, because most of the damage that the Earth has been caused by us humans. For example, the carbon dioxide that we breathe out, 3/4 of the increase has been caused from human activity after over the past 20 years from burning off fossil fuels, and the other quarter is made largely of land uses change such as deforestation. And I would also like to tell you some facts about the Earth, and that every day 50 to 100 species of plants and animals become extinct as their habitats and human influences destroy them. That's a big damage to the world, and I'll tell you why. That a single porcupine is known to kill 100 trees in one winter, and it uses its sharp claws to climb a tree, sits on a limb to gnaw away the bark and twigs, and then stuffs them all into his mouth at once. Because of its liking for bark, the porcupine causes much damage to forests. And that Americans use up to 50 million tons of paper annually, consuming more than 850 million trees. That's making a huge damage to us, because plants breathe out carbon dioxide and we breathe in that carbon dioxide, and we breathe out oxygen and they breathe in that oxygen. So there's that process we do, and by destroying those forests, that's a big damage. I would like to thank you so much for being such a great audience, and I hope what I have shared with you today about abiotic and biotic factors has helped you learn more about environmental science.